How to get new people on Temu. Now let's get started. Open your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your Temu account. You will land to the home page. At the bottom, you will find different options. Head towards the option of View. Now head towards this option on Credit and Free Gifts. Open it. Now over here, you will find different options. You can choose this one, 5 free gifts. Tap on Get Now. Now from here, you can pick up to 10 gifts. I have just chose one gift. You can pick up to 10 gifts. For now, I will be just selecting one gift. After you select the gift, tap on the option Confirm. Now you can confirm your address and then you can tap on the option of Confirm Address. Now you have to flip a card over here. You can just pick anyone. I have got $1.51. With that, you will land to this kind of page. From here, you can easily invite friends on Temu. All you have to do is tap on this option, Invite Friends. Now here you will get different social media platforms to send link of your Temu account. Likewise, you can send through message, copy link or copy code. You can choose any of these options that is suitable for you. So this way you can invite friends on Temu and also receive free gifts. I hope now you guys are clear about how to get new people on Temu. If this video was helpful to you guys, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.